IT Expo Miami 2009.
Hi, I'm Eric Lanass, coming to you from IT Expo in Miami, Florida again. And I'm sitting here now with Serge Forrest from Paraxip, one of the Sangoma companies. Welcome,
Correct.
Serge.
Thank you.
So as I said, Sangoma just recently, what was it, about 6 months ago, acquired Paraxip. So let's start off with that. How's that going? How's that transition process been?
The integration is going very, very well. We've announced at TMC West in September the first joint product, the NetBorder Express Gateway product line, and very good reception from the market. And so the company integration is going very well, and it allows Sangoma really to go outside of the open source telephony market, but also address some of the most commercial voice applications out there, and it's very exciting for both companies.
Now, what's driving the decision to go outside the open source market? Because that's, of course, what Sangoma's been known for.
Sangoma has been traditionally a great hardware vendor for open source telephony and continues to invest heavily in that market. But there is this whole segment outside that's also based on either on proprietary code or some open source telephony projects that may not, may only support standard interfaces like SIP. And in this case, this is what our software brings to the table, and the Gateway Express product line really fits into all those applications.
Now, you're actually announcing something around the NetBorder Express here at the show, right?
We're actually announcing version 2.0, which adds analog support for the product line. So we had SIP Gateway on digital interface. Now we support analog, and a new management interface that's going to make it very easy to interface with the product. I believe we're the only ones who provide thin gateway cards that support both analog and digital interfaces. So we're very excited about this 2.0 release.
Sure, and the simplicity is something that everybody's looking for.
Absolutely.
And I think you actually had another announcement today, I think?
Today, with a company named Industry Dynamics. They do a Skype gateway, and so they're using our cards, Sangoma cards, to interface with legacy PBXs. We understand that certainly in this economy that people want the benefits of the low-cost Skype telephone rates, but they also want to protect their existing investment in their existing PBX. So the Sangoma cards are being used by Industry Dynamics in their Skype product.
From what you can tell, what really is the market for Skype in the business world?
We see this really as another internet telephony provider, right? I mean, it's another choice, and people should have their choice of using. We see it a lot, point to point between the systems and the network. And we also start to see it a little bit more being used in the enterprise as a personal communication when you travel, for instance. But that is not as widespread for now in terms of enterprise products that serve that business need.
Good, excellent. We've been chatting with Paraxip's Serge Forrest, Sangoma's Serge Forrest as well, here at IT Expo in Miami. Serge, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Eric. Great, thanks.